Reservoirs in Ohio. It's your boy back. We are going fishing today. We're taking the kayaks out. Going out with Jeremiah from Ohio Fishing Crew, Epik Lures. We're going to Hoover Reservoir, and we're trying to get on sorry about that. We're going to try to get on some crappie and bass and whatever else is biting out here, but we're going to try nothing but Epik Lures and see how that works. So we're going to run up here, get some gas. I got the kayaks loaded in the bed of the truck. He's in front of me right now with the kayaks on the top of his SUV, and we are going to head out and we're going to make something happen, yo. See you at the... GoPro, stop recording. That's a hit and a half, yo. Already got it tore apart. Let's try that one more time, see if we can get him. There he is. Oh, that's a good one. Buddy, I just switched over to the spicy watermelon. Curly tail. If that ain't 11 inches, dude, I don't know what is. Oh, he's every bit 11 inches. Come back, come back. Stop. Drop, kaboom, baby. Telling you, man, they work, y'all. Hit him up. Dude, they're not just hitting them either. They're freaking crushing them. Yeah. That green collar you said you poured and ain't tried yet? Just caught an 11 incher, first cast. Drop, bop, kaboom, baby. Roll on your nipples. I'm gonna edit that part out, I think.
What?
I said drop, kaboom, baby, rub on your nipples. Dude, I'm not gonna lie, I'm so glad you talked me into getting a kayak. There's a good one. Daggone hemoglobins won't come out. Golly. There we go. Let's measure this one off, y'all. Okay, we'll just let you roll down there. Oh yeah, he's another keeper. Another keeper. Flat tearing this grub up, you know, curly tail grub, monkey milk. Get a hold of Jeremiah, High Fishing Crew, Epik Lures, tearing it up. Yeah, we gotta change it out, yo. They done ate it up. I ain't never had a day like this, y'all. I've caught probably, I don't know, 30. My GoPro died there for a little bit. I just put a new battery in it. But I got 10 good keepers on a stringer right now. Actually, no, I take that back. I got 7. Getting back at it. You know, outdoors in Ohio, you know. We're at Hoover Reservoir, one of these backwater little eddies. We got Jeremiah from Ohio Fishing Crew over here. Right here with our yaks, man. Getting on them. Can't rep enough of, you know, Epik fishing lures, man. Hit them up on Facebook, YouTube, Jeremiah Murphy on YouTube, Ohio Fishing Crew on Facebook. Get you some of them Epik lures. They work. Yeah, I got it. Just move that kayak. No.
It slid up there pretty good.
Yeah, I had to slow down.
Look at that, huh?
It's a good day.
Nice, brother.
Get my fat ass out this motherfucker.
That's pretty much all midnight milk, or midnight milk, ain't it?
Yeah.
He's like, dude, I need some more. So I put him up 2 or 3 batches of it last night.
Woohoo!
Did you see me stand up on that? It wasn't too bad. It wasn't too shabby. Hey, hell yeah.
GoPro turn off.
Man, I found out why he wasn't moving.
GoPro turn off.
There's a metal pole over there sticking up, and he was.
I had her in my armpit.
He's like, ain't moving a minute, man. He's just posted, man.
I heard him earlier saying, "Turn off, GoPro. Turn off, GoPro.
Yeah, I'm
Turn
pissed.
off, GoPro. Thank you."
GoPro turn off.
Oh shit.
Oh, GoPro stop recording. All right, y'all. We're back at the homestead. Got the yaks loaded up. We're actually back at Epik Lure headquarters. I'm telling y'all, hit him up on Facebook, Ohio Fishing Crew. His name's Jeremiah Murphy. He hand pours baits every single day. Best baits that I've ever used, and there's a crap ton of people that says the same thing as I do. But here in a minute, we're about to show you the catch of the day. Stay tuned. All right, y'all, we're back again. I got the remnants of today's epic fishing adventure on the kayaks with Jeremiah Murphy from Ohio Fishing Crew. He makes the epic fishing lures. I'm telling you, y'all need to hit him up and get some of these. I'm gonna hand the camera to him real quick, and I'm gonna show you all what I mean about getting some of these. This right here is what I'm talking about, y'all. Look at that. Yeah, hold that out. Check that out, y'all. That's 9 keepers, all over 10 inches.
A couple 12s in there too.
And then we got 5 more on this stringer. There's another 12-incher. Epic fishing lures, y'all. Get a hold of you. Until the next time, y'all keep liking the videos, and always remember, find a way to get outdoors. See ya.